Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Cortex. We're currently having a huge rally in the altcoin market, but right now, Cortex is still down bad, deep in the bear market. Even though we're seeing AI coin season happen, we're seeing all the AI coins in the cryptocurrency market pumping to huge price. If you're a long-term investor, how long should you be holding Cortex? How high can Cortex go by the end of the next bull run? Should we be buying more right now as we're seeing the altcoin market pumping to higher prices? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Cortex US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll be looking at key levels where it will be critical for us to accumulate more Cortex to get ready for the next bull run. We'll also be looking at how high Cortex can get to by the end of the next bull run. We'll be taking a look at Cortex performance against Bitcoin, Cortex performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at Cortex market cap that's rallied up from $14 million to as high as $51 million. How high can Cortex market cap continue pumping in this relief rally? And if we start dumping to gobbling town, how low can we go? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
With the altcoin market pumping to the upside, we saw Cortex gain more than 32% in the last 1 week. We saw this altcoin go up 51% in the last 1 month. But we're still deep in the crypto bear market, and altcoins had a terrible 2022 where we saw them dumping to gobbling town. So how high will Cortex go in this relief rally? And for long-term investors, should we continue buying some Cortex right now, or should we wait for that downside to come? Because guys, anytime you're seeing a huge pump to the upside, always remember there's going to be a huge dump to the downside. The only question is, how low will that dump comes when we go to the downside? Now, this is not Cortex first bear market. We saw this altcoin launch in April 2018, and when it was launched, it went down to gobbling town, losing so much value in its first crypto bear market. We saw this altcoin drop 98.52% from where it was launched in April 2018. After dumping to gobbling town, after getting to as low as the $0.034 level, we saw Cortex pumping in the next bull run, and if you had invested $1,000 in this AI coin, you would have seen Cortex rally up more than 3,600%, finally hitting the top in November 2021 when it was up over 3,600%. $1,000 invested in Cortex would have returned over $36,000 if you have hodled through the chaos. And guys, that's what I always tell you guys, hodling through is not going to be easy, even though in the end that's going to be the most rewarding thing you're going to do. If you hodl some Cortex from when it bottomed in March 2020, if you held on through all these pumps, all these dumps, all these pumps, all these dumps, and this final pump, if you sold at November 2021, you would have seen more than a 30x return. Right now, Cortex is going through another bear market, and right now is the time to start accumulating, getting ready for another bull run. Even though I've seen Cortex drop 94% in this bear market, as all coins market have started rallying to the upside, we have seen Cortex rally up heavily. It has gone up more than 300% in the last 62 days. We might continue pumping to the upside, but always remember there's one huge dump to come to the downside. And right now, Cortex is currently battling the $0.24 region. If we're lucky in this relief rally, we might see it rally up higher, maybe even getting to the $0.41 region. But for long-term investors, we want to buy at the bottom right here, knowing that we can't fully predict the exact bottom of the market. But guys, when we see Cortex coming to this buy range, that will be a good signal to start buying some. On this channel, I've been advocating for dollar cost averaging through the process. We have seen Cortex get to as low as $0.096 since May 2022, and we had more than 6 months for accumulation. We even had one final dump to the downside that happened in November 2022, and that was the best time to buy more Cortex if you wanted to hold some for the long term. But there's still going to be a lot of opportunities to buy Cortex in the bear market. The RSI is currently at the overbought region. When the RSI starts heading to the lower end, we might see the price falling, or might see the price ranging sideways. And guys, that will be a good time to accumulate some Cortex, getting ready for the next bull run. In the bear market is where millionaires are made. In the bear market is where you get your next 10x, 20x, even your next 100x coin. But for you to participate in those pumps in the future, for you to see it through, for you to hold through all the chaos that is going to be coming along, you have to be willing to hold through multiple pumps. Also have to be willing to hold your position through multiple dumps. And by the end of the next bull run, I'll not be shocked to see Cortex breaking into new all-time highs, pumping above $2, even getting to as high as $10 before the end of the next bull run. So if you want to enjoy that pump in the future, you have to be willing to carefully and logically accumulate deep in the bear market. And very, very importantly, you don't want to go all in when you're accumulating. All coins are very volatile in the bear market. We can see them pumping to the upside this week, and next week will just be chaos. We'll see huge dumps in the market. But if you're dollar cost averaging through the bear market, if you are not going all in and you're getting some at strategic points, by the end of the bear market, you would have gotten a lot of Cortex for a fair price, and you would have gotten them when the market looked as if it was going to gobbling town. If you take a look at some details about Cortex, in the last 1 year, we've seen this altcoin go from as high as $0.44 to as low as $0.07. Cortex is currently trading above the $0.4 region. Currently ranked 356 on CoinMarketCap. We have 26,000 people that have this altcoin on their watch list. The fully diluted market cap of $74 million, Cortex has a market cap of $51 million. A circulating supply of over 206 million coins out of a maximum supply of 299 million coins. And why would you want to get some Cortex for yourself in the bear market as we're getting ready for another bull run? Cortex is an open source peer-to-peer decentralized blockchain platform that supports artificial intelligence models to be uploaded and executed on the distributed network. Cortex provides an open source AI platform to achieve AI democratization, where models can be easily integrated in smart contracts and create AI-enabled decentralized applications. If you want to buy some Cortex for yourself in the bear market as we're getting ready for another bull run, you can get some on Binance, on BitTop, on Wobi Global, on EquiX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Cortex performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market, we are seeing classical altcoin behavior, dump to gobbling town against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market. I may be wondering, why is Bitcoin and Ethereum always outperforming all coins in the bear market? It's because a lot of people are scared from the huge dumps we had in 2022. Now, when all coins start dumping to gobbling town, the first thing people start letting go in their portfolio is all coins, because those all coins pump really well in the bull market. And because they pump really well in the bull market, when we get to the bear market, you see them dumping to gobbling town very, very well. And right now, we're still deep in the bear market. 2023 is a great year of accumulation. 2023 is the great year of accumulation, the year we should get ready for the next bull run. This should be the year you should be accumulating all your favorite altcoins deep in the bear market, because guys, when we start pumping to the moon, you're going to see a whole lot of FOMO greater than what you're seeing right now in the market, as we're just having a relief rally. So if you're going to be accumulating some Cortex right now deep in the bear market, you want to know that even though you're buying it, the bottom might not be in. Even though you're accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run, we might see a huge dump to the downside from where Cortex is currently trading right now. If we go back to test the lows, we'll see Cortex dropping another 60%. And that's normal with all coins. A 60% dump in the altcoin market is nothing to write home about, because we can easily get a 60% pump to the upside very, very quickly. If you take a look at Cortex market cap, we saw it drop to as low as $14 million in this bear market. Right now, we're having a huge bounce to the upside, and we've seen Cortex market cap hit that $15 million region. But maybe, just maybe, we're going to face huge resistance on our path to higher prices. Maybe, just maybe, we're going to face huge resistance on our path to higher prices, because we saw similar reactions with Cortex in the previous bear market when we saw it pumping more than 300%. But we finally went to gobbling town after that pump. So right now, history repeats itself. Cortex has pumped more than 300%. Are we going to start dumping to gobbling town? Only time will tell. But I'll not be shocked to see Cortex continue this rally to the upside, maybe even hitting that $60 million mark on its market cap. For long-term investors, we always want to keep in mind that even though we're pumping to the upside, the journey is not going to be a straight one. There's going to be some huge dumps along the way. All you have to do is hold on and remember that time is your friend. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Cortex heading to in the coming future? If you hold some Cortex right now deep in the bear market and you're accumulating some, getting ready for the next bull run, how high do you see this altcoin pumping to by the end of the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.